Many things. We'll talk about Dionosaije and some other people in the society. They say what goes around come around. I dey surprised say Dionosaije come out, they say Godwin Obaseki is ungrateful person, which actually I understand that Godwin Obaseki is not grateful. But the question is Dionosaije grateful to anybody? The answer is no. So that means you, when you not dey grateful Dionosaije, it dey pain you, it can pain. Wow, it can pain. Dionosaije, person not dey grateful to you, so it has meaning. To be an ungrateful person like Dionosaije, so it can pain. Wow, Dionosaije, I'm surprised that you always right now. I support who support me. I value who value me. I follow who know my value. So Dionosaije, you're being ungrateful. That means you know what you are doing. If to say you know say to be ungrateful na normal thing, you for not dey vex with who no appreciate you. So Dionosaije, the way you not dey grateful at all, it dey pain. Hey. Dionosaije, you are an ungrateful human being. You don't appreciate anybody. You are not using your money. You are using our money. I donate 100,000 to you. You did not tell me thank you. Instead, you say, now that's small money you give me. Then you dey talk, I bet send me your account. I am still waiting for you to send me back my money. Dionosaije, you are the most ungrateful element in Nigeria. And I never know you know the meaning of gratefulness. That if they are not grateful to you, you can know the meaning and you can be angry. Dionosaije, what I'm doing for you, money cannot buy it. Your spirit call for help and I give it to you. And you always address me like say I'm your mate. You now call me Facebook native daughter. Dionosaije, today is not your day, but I just want you to know wetin they not go do to you, not do to others. So you dey vex say they don't appreciate you. You don't appreciate nobody. You think people supporting your ministry is your birthright. Dionosaije, you are the cause of the problem that started by people trying to insult my wife. Dionosaije, when you got married, I pray for you. I share your video. I do everything possible, although you did not ask me to do it. But when I got married, you did not come in to congratulate me. Instead, you say how many years that woman has senior you. That was your first comment. Dionosaije is a beast. It's a complete beast. Dionosaije is the one that did video and said, I lick Monica leg. He even called me Monica boyfriend, somebody's wife. Today you are saying you support people who support you. That means you know if person do good, they're supposed to tell and thank you, Dionosaije. The reason why I do Dionosaije video online, 2016, after I had contact with Dionosaije on phone, few days later, I saw his enemy inside casket, coffee, with suit, with tie. When I call him and chat him, he now talk to me as if I need favor for him. The way he respond to that revelation, I was in shock. Like this Martin say, I dey form man say I need favor for her. So that is why anytime he dey danger, when I see him, I go talk am for public, make public pray for him because they feel like say he's too big to be tempted. He's too big to have problem. Even me as a native daughter, I am not too big to have problem. I do have problem, but I have the thing is that I have the capacity, the ability to solve my problem. I have problems. Sometimes I pray for people that are deeply in problem. I have an attack and I fight back and I win. Nobody is too big for problem because I see the young man is trying his best and I always see vision for him. Not that he paid for the vision, not that he consulted me. But instead, he would just come out and talk trash. When Osaromore was kidnapped, but you call me behind that I should do something about it, which I'm already doing. But in public, you will come, you want to tell me I am a native daughter, Facebook native daughter, because I do tell people publicly, because you know they hear word. It's better the public that love you pray for you. And when I pray for you, you not say I be a native Facebook native daughter. When I'm using every nation, I drag every nation to pray for you. You never say you don't need that prayer. But when I now want you not to go into something, you will not say, I shouldn't have said it in public. You know, Saji, I am not here to talk about you. I'm just to tell you the simple fact that you are an ungrateful human being, and I will not let you down. Because in the first case, you are not the one that begged me to help you. So if your spirit can be crying for help in my temple, your spirit not see any other place go, I will help you whether you like it or not. But stop being ungrateful. Don't say anything. Don't tell me thank you. Don't say anything stupid. Don't let people push you to trouble. Don't let this your follower when they put you. You see, anytime I post about you, they talk. They say I should fight you. I cannot do anything. They are pushing me. I will never fight you. But I will always come to public to tell you where you are wrong, Saji. I don't need your money, and you are a selfish person. You cannot give even your hard-earned money. Money you give out is money we give to you. I give my personal money out. So last time you wanted to come and visit, maybe for bring wine, maybe for bring money, but I don't need your money. I am your Facebook friend. We don't need to see face to face. I will keep on helping you because you are not the one asking for help. That God that is directing your problem to me, I will keep on solving it. If I cannot solve it, I will call people to solve it, whether you like it or not. But you are an ungrateful human being, Saji. You are my son, whether you like it or not. I cannot kill my son. I cannot fight my son. You are a very rude boy. For the fact that you are rude, if you were my son, will I kill you? No. For the fact that you are rude, if you are going astray, will I let you die? No. For the fact that you are rude, if I have you as a son and you do all these things you are doing, will I disown you? No. Saji, I will not disown you. I will continue to pray for you. You must make it. If I tell you my revision, that is for people to help you out, even if I cannot help you. So just keep your mouth shut and don't use that your finger to type nonsense about me. Because they say when Sansan too much for brand man food, they know. And me, I don't want to know your own. Don't push me to know your own. I still love you, and I don't know why I love you. I don't know why. If I know why I love you, I would even meet you in person. I don't know why I love you. So keep quiet. Let some people help you. Who are you? Eh? Bye. Now we be supporter. I'm not go the right nonsense under my page again. Now they push person to wound Saji. I will not wound him, even if I have the power. It's my son, but a son who don't know how to address father. Make una get sense. Get sense. If you know how much I take for people to start for them, you will shut up. I love you, Saji. Just respect yourself. Nothing will do you. Respect yourself.